Hello everyone, how to Totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Twins personalized AI chat. So basically this is AI role play application or character, you can say. If you really want to talk with virtual your girlfriend or boyfriend, then you can use this app. So simply install it and simply tap on the open button. Then you can see the interface. It's like Twins. I don't know the things of this app, so we'll discuss. So first of all, you need to create your account. So simply tap on the get started and choose your gender. So you have to choose your gender. If you're male, then tap on the male, and if you're female, simply tap on the female. Then next, then choose your style, realistic, anime. Choose ethnicity, so you can choose here Caucasian, Afro, Latina, Asian, Arab, and you need to choose. Okay, I'm just going to choose something okay, and simply tap here your age, like 10, 18 plus, or choose your age and simply tap on the next button. So you have to choose your style. Okay, realistic. Next, choose hairstyle, so you have to choose everything. Choose hair color. Okay, black. Your eye color, you can choose, and choose body type. You can choose your body type. Next, and chat my AI, so you can get here, okay, choose personality, choose voice. Okay, I'm just going to choose voice too.
Hey babe, how are you doing?
So it's your voice, and choose your personality. Protector, it says hero, jester, dominant, lovers, and simply tap on the next button. Then create my AI, so you can create your AI like doctor, student. You can create multiple. Just choose randomly, then simply tap on the next. Choose your heavy, you can choose your heavy. I'm just going to choose randomly. Next, create my AI, so choose relationship, like boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, sexy friend. So you can just a stranger. Next, create my AI, choose clothing, elegant. I'm just summary, so you can see your summary, and after that simply bring my AI to life. So analyzing personality and creating your account, so it's really simple. Analyzing your appearance, so it's creating your account. So you can see your name, they give you everything. So start chatting, skip for now. So twins means like skip for now, you can chat, start chatting. Okay, model. So I think okay, start chatting. Reject offer. So by the way, it's not free, so I'm just going to see skip now. Delete a girlfriend, no. Okay, let me see it. So here you can see this is the interface. Okay, so now you have to choose the person premium. So I'm just okay, let me check it, either it's okay. I'm just going to choose. So okay, you can chat like this. Okay, create free account, customize your settings. So you have to create a free account first, and you can create your account, you can log in. Okay, you can give your email here. Okay, I'm just going to check it without creating email. Okay, you must create your account, otherwise you can't continue, and you have to give your okay, sign in your okay, you have to create your account first. Chat, explore more, if you type here, but you have to create your account first, then you have to give your email here, and then you can continue.